So let's start with the topic change given on borrowed money or simple interest. So, first of all, class, I would like to, hear from you. We have all borrowed things, right, from others. हम हमेशा किसी ना किसी से कुछ ना कुछ मांगते हैं. मांगना, किसी से उधार लेना इज कॉल्ड बोरोइंग. हम अपने सपोज क्लास में व्हेन द क्लास इज टेकिंग प्लेस हमारे पास पेंसिल नहीं है. सो व्हाट वी आस्क टू आवर फ्रेंड, कैन आई बोरो योर पेंसिल, राइट? कैन आई बोरो योर पेंसिल? सो व्हेन you are taking money from the bank, not your money, you are taking loan from the bank, उधार ले रहे हो बैंक से. So what do you say? That you are borrowing money from the bank. So the money you borrow is known as sum borrowed or principal amount. Suppose you have taken 100 rupees, you have borrowed 100 rupees from the bank. So the principal amount you have borrowed from the bank is 100 rupees. So that is called sum borrowed or principal amount. जो पैसे तुमने बैंक से लिए हैं उसे principal amount बोलते हैं या फिर sum borrowed बोलते हैं. Bank is definitely going to charge you some interest for that. Of course, your friend will not charge you any interest for borrowing a pencil to you, right? That अगर तुम किसी से पैसे उधार ले रहे हो, सो डेफिनेटली वो बंदा अपना इंटरेस्ट लूज करके बैंक से अपना पैसा दे रहा है. सो दैट पर्सन विल टेक इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम यू. No one wants to incur loss in terms of money, which is very important. So now, bank will apply some rate of interest. Based on that, they will give you the principal amount. They will borrow you the money. So the money would be used by the borrower for some time. He's going to keep it for a year or 6 months. उतने दिन तो बैंक के पास पैसा नहीं रह रहा है ना. So definitely bank will charge some rate of interest on that particular amount. तुमने 100 रुपीज़ बैंक से लिए. बैंक ने कहा कि मैं इंटरेस्ट लगाऊंगा उस पर 10%. 10% ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. वॉट इज़ द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट? 100 रुपीज़. सो इफ आई से सपोज principal amount you have borrowed is rupees 100. Rate of interest is equal to 10%. 10% of what? Of the principal amount. So 10% of rupees 100 will be how much? रुपीज़ 10. तो अगर तुमने 100 रुपीज़ बोरो किया, उधार लिया बैंक से, बैंक ने उस पर 10% रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट लगाया. 10% ऑफ वॉट? ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. देन बैंक तुमसे 10 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा मांग रही है, राइट? किस पे? तो तुम्हें कितना पैसा रिटर्न करना होगा व्हेन यू आर रिटर्निंग इट टू द बैंक? यू आर रिटर्निंग रुपीज़ 100 जो तुम्हारा प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट है प्लस जो तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट है दैट इज़ रुपीज़ 10. सो यू आर पेइंग बैक रुपीज़ 110. सो द प्रिंसिपल, so you can say the total amount which will be returned back is principal amount plus interest. Right? Is that clear? Now, interest. For keeping this money for some time, the borrower has to pay some extra money to the bank, and that is called interest. You can find the amount you have to pay at the end of the year by adding the sum borrowed, that is the principal and the interest. See the formula here, amount is equal to principal plus interest. Interest is generally given in percent for a period of 1 year. राइट, यू आर अवेयर ऑफ दिस कि 1 साल के लिए इंटरेस्ट लगाया जाता है ऑन द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. इट इज़ रिटन एज 10% पर ईयर और पर एनम, और इन शॉर्ट एज 10% PA, दैट इज पर एनम. पर ईयर को एनम भी बोला जाता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ financial things, right? So always banks or any agents who are dealing with money, they will talk in terms of annum. That is nothing but per year. So here example is given. 10% per annum means on every 100 rupees borrowed, 10 rupees is the interest. As we all know that percentage is in terms of 100. If I say 5%, 5% will be of rupees 100, that is rupees 5. Now let us take this example. Anita takes a loan of rupees 5,000 at 15% per year as rate of interest. Find the interest she has to pay at the end of the year. Principal amount is rupees 5,000. Rate of interest 15%. Find the interest she has to pay at the end of the year. The sum borrowed or the principal amount is 5,000. Rate of interest 15% per year or 15% per annum. Now, how much is she paying? This means if rupees 100 is borrowed, she has to pay 15 rupees as interest for 1 year. राइट, 15% पर ईयर मतलब क्या है? अगर उसने 100 रुपीज़ बोरो किया, उसका अगर प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट 100 रुपीज़ है, देन 15% ऑफ 100 इज़ 15 रुपीज़. देन उसने एक्स्ट्रा कितना पे किया? 15 रुपीज़ 1 साल के लिए. बट हाउ मच डू वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फॉर प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट 5,000, राइट? तो 5,000 का 15% हमने कैलकुलेट किया फॉर 1 ईयर, दैट इज़ रुपीज़ 750. Now how much total amount she has to pay? At the end of the year she has to give an amount of rupees, principal amount plus rate of interest equal to total 5,750 rupees. So here is the formula. We can denote principal amount as P. We can write a general relation to find interest for 1 year. Always remember, generally the interest rate of interest which we are talking about related to finance or money, that is for 1 year. R percent is the rate of interest per year or per annum. So what formula we are deriving from here? That rate of interest is in percentage, so rate of interest divided by 100 into principal amount will find out the interest amount.